Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, Pixel 7 versus the LG V60 Thin Q. Let's look at dimensions before we start her up. As you can see, the V60 is a monster of a phone. This is probably more in line with the Pixel 7 Pro, but I don't have a Pixel 7 Pro. I have the P7 here. So the Pixel 7, as you can tell, it is definitely much smaller with height and width. Thickness. Yeah, this is definitely thicker. The LG V60 is thicker. It's got a bigger battery, 5,000 milliamp. This phone was a beast in 2020 for sure. It had everything. It had everything in it. And we're going to see how quickly it boots up. We'll install a program and see how it runs. So let's go ahead and boot them up together. Let me get it situated here. Make sure I got the right power button. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I heard them both vibrate. There you go. Okay, we're off the races here. The LG V60, there goes the Pixel 7. Is it going to win the race? All right, let's see who boots up the fastest. Yep, P7 wins. LG V60 not far behind. Let me go ahead and unlock this. Since it's booting up, I have to put in a code to unlock it. All right. So let's go to the Play Store first, and let's go ahead and install. We'll pick something it later. Let's pick up something. Let's see here. I was looking for some sidebar apps earlier. So let's put in Angry Birds. G-R-Y, Angry Birds, A-N-G-R, Angry Birds. And let's see, I'm gonna both hit install on both at the same time. Let's see how quick the modems are. Who is going to download it quicker? Both on the same network. The P7 is taking an advantage right now, but no, the LG V60 is hanging tight. This is going to be close. No, but definitely the Pixel 7 is running away with it at 73 already against 58. So this modem is faster than the LG V60, even though this was their flagship. They put everything in. This was their last great flagship. All right, both installing. Almost basically the same. So let's go ahead and hit play. 1, 2, 3. All right. What's that? We're going to hit continue. Allow. Okay, come on, guys. Tensor 2 versus an old Snapdragon from 2020. This does have 5G, so it is a better Snapdragon than the standard one. Allow. This one didn't give me a notification for allowing. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I think the LG V60, yes, the LG V60 took that. Yep, it sure did. LG V60 beat the Tensor 2. This is a Snapdragon from 2020. I know it's fast. I didn't think it would win. That's pretty cool. So let's put the. Can I get an X out of here? Let me grab it. Xing out these things are sometimes a pain. There we go. Let's exit out. Put the brightness up. The brightness was down and kind of low. So that is interesting. That the LG V60 processor was definitely faster than the Tensor 2. That's just the way it goes. I don't think the Tensor 2 was trying to design for speed, but this one definitely was. So let's move on to the next thing. Let's go ahead and open up a browser. Let's go to, no thanks. We don't want to go there. Let's go to CNN. Just to start off the bat. Let me grab this. I have to move it. I was actually checking the specs on this. As you see here, I was checking the specs on the LG V60, but let's go to CNN. CNN. I did not want to do that. I didn't want to go there right away. CNN, that's fine. Let's go ahead and go. Let's now get to the first page of each other. All right. So let me put the brightness all the way up on this one. It is all the way up. Now the LG V60's screen is very good, but I'll tell you right now that the P7 looks clearer. My brightness is all the way up almost. There it is, all the way up. Well, no, the brightness here, that cleared it up all right. They are very close. There's your scrolling. Let me go ahead and, oof, that's fast. That's really fast. Go back. Let me go ahead and hit another one. Hit opinion. Poof. The P7 is faster in the browsing department. That's for sure. Fox News. All right, Fox News. Let's go Fox News. All right, let's see who loads quickest. Dead heat, gotta say, dead heat. Colors look better here than on the LG V60. This feels a little more washed out, but you get more, the blues don't seem as blue. They're a little lighter. Yeah, the P7 is faster with the browsing. It definitely feels that way. Scrolling feels about the same. Very fluid. But there you go, guys. That's what I wanted to check. I wanted to see what the old LG V60 would do against the new Pixel 7. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. And the winner is Pixel 7 to me. This, I got to sell. Okay. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.